Monica. I wanted to kind of talk you through Make 20 and its variations, Make 30. Basically, there are a few things before we start that helps you understand how to work the cards. First of all, you're going to use your basic number card deck. Next thing, anything that's placed up and down is add. Okay, if I have a number that's like this, it's going to mean subtract. If I have two numbers put together, that would be like if I have 8 and 5, like this, it's kind of like crisscross, kind of like the multiplication sign. That means to multiply. All right, let's see. If I want to have a square, I could do that by doing something like this. This is 5 squared, so my 2 is up here on top. We can also use the tally sticks. So I can say 7 minus 2 times 5. So it's kind of like a little far out, but anyway, it kind of gives you an idea. So those are the basic components on how to consider this. Now, our goal is to make an equation that totals 20. I'm going to start with the 20, of course. All right, and every player gets 4 cards. And then we just have this stack of cards here. So since it's just me, it's really just kind of like more of a puzzle more than it is a game, although we play together. So here are my cards. I just randomly did this. My goal is to total 20, right? So let's see. I have 7 plus 3 is 10, right? And if I multiply 10 times 2, I'm going to get 20. So let's do that. 7 plus 3, I'm going to put that in my equation. I'm going to multiply that by 2. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is in my parentheses, which gives me 10. And then 2 times 10 is 20. So then I would get all of these cards. Now the goal, of course, is to get as many cards as possible. Now it leaves me with 1 card, so now I get more cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have something very similar. Let's see here. Here I have a 6 and a 4. That totals 10. Or I could do 6 minus 4, which will give me 2. So, I mean, really, like I said, it's a puzzle game. If I didn't have an answer, then I can draw 2 more cards, or my opponent can. So, I'm just kind of like looking around here. 5 times 5 is 25. Oh, here we go. This one's a simple one. 5 times 4, right? 5 times 4 is 20. And that will give me those cards. And then, because I've done that, let's see. I've got these cards here. This would be 8. 8 times 4 is 32. That's too much. This is 10. If I want to do that. Anyway, I hope that kind of gives you an idea of how to play the game. Really, it's more of a puzzle. And when you play it with more than one person, what's going to happen is we each get 4 cards. This player will get 4 cards. And then I will play as many cards as I possibly can. And so let's say I want to have a 6 plus 4 here, okay? Then this player can take a look at their cards, slide it down a little bit. This player can look at their cards and see if there's something they can do to this part of the equation to make it 20. Now the variation, of course, is as opposed to making it 20, is to make it 30. So I hope that helps. Anyway, feel free we can discuss this on Friday if you still have any questions. Talk to you later.